is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we'll be diving right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick different Rustoleum spray paint colors and then we create very cool effects and throw them over top and try to recreate more expensive looking paint jobs on a budget, guys. This is all just test spray outs for fun so that everybody can learn what works, what don't, what looks good, and you know, the rest. But anyways, guys, I got a fender prepped up behind me today and it's just itching for some Rustoleum. And I've got two really cool Rustoleum colors to put on it: semi-gloss black and sun yellow, a really poppy yellow. And what could we possibly be doing over top of it? Well, we're continuing with our Candy Ghost base coats today and going with a candy gold, guys. So that'll look very interesting over the black, and over the sun yellow, well, I imagine we're going to get a very poppy yellow by the end of this. So I'll be using Limelight Candy Gold and Glimmer Ghost Gold from My Candy Pigments. We'll combine them together and finish one clear, and we'll make a really cool Candy Ghost Gold base coat. And that's the game plan for today. So let's get some Rustoleum on this fender behind me and let's get into creating a really cool Candy Ghost Gold paint job. Let's get into it. Guys, now we got our two Rustoleum colors laid down, so it's time for the fun part, creating our own custom Candy Ghost Gold base coat. Now I'll be doing this with Limelight Candy Concentrates, which has no sparkle at all, and Glimmer Ghost Gold, guys, a very sparkly ghost pearl from My Candy Pigments. We'll be doing it in finish one clear today. 4-to-1 clear, 4 parts clear, 1 part fast activator. It is a little over 40 degrees today. Why ain't I wearing a coat? I don't know. It just is what it is. And, you know, we're going to be doing it in about 6 ounces of product, you know, so divide accordingly. And as always, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so Ghost Gold. Now you can see the gold candy back there and see how it has no sparkle. That's what it looks like outside of the mix. And Glimmer Ghost Gold, guys. And if you look at it in powder form, it is a white particle powder, but you see that gold sheen at certain angles. So that's going to be a very poppy experiment today. So as far as how much I'm going to put in here, this is a 5-gram sample bag. So I always try to get somewhat close to about 1 gram in there. But, you know, I love to see it sparkly, especially with the gold. I want it to have a nice pop out in the sun. So I'm going to set that to the side. And let's get the stirring and mix this up first. That way you guys can see what the Glimmer Ghost Gold can do by itself. But this is going to be our sparkle today, guys. And if you look in that mix at certain angles, you'll see that gold sparkle. But it also just makes everything look cloudy because it's a white particle pearl. So now we've got a really good sparkle. And now we need candy. So I'll be using my popsicle method like I always do. And I'll be drizzling some candy in there. And what this is going to do is turn this whole mix like a yellow gold, guys. It's going to be very cool. And I'm going to make sure to get a very generous, oh, I hit you, amount of gold candy in here so we can get a really good effect today. And I'm going to do one more for good measure. And now we'll get to mixing. You'll see this candy base coat really start to come together. Look at that, guys. Man, that looks like honey. Very cool. Very gold. You can see that sparkle and everything in it. So that is definitely going to be a very vivid Candy Ghost Gold base coat. So, all right. Well, now that we got this looking pretty good, there's only one thing to do, guys. Let's load up the old D1 drizzle gun and let's get to spraying some of this Candy Ghost Gold. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun loaded up with some of this crazy Ghost Candy Gold Limelight Eye Candy mix today. This is a D1 Drizzle Intercraft gun. It's a low volume, low pressure gun with a 1.3 tip, and I shoot 28 psi water from trigger. Feel free to replicate my settings if you want to. We're going to do consistent coats on this panel, probably 3 or 4 till we get a good effect. And then, as always, guys, we're going to take it out in that sun and see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so a custom ghost gold candy over sun yellow and over semi-gloss black. Man, this really popped today. It looks awesome over that semi-gloss black, and surprisingly over that yellow, man, the metallics really showed in good. Look at that. That is very, very cool. And then you get a nice candy effect with almost like bronzes and golds over that black. And of course I did have a little bit of a mishap. As you can see, my fender fell off my stand, so right when I was moving it too. But regardless, guys, what do you think of these colors? Well, this was an interesting one today for many reasons, guys. I don't know if you saw it, and you can probably see with some of the issues I got on this fender on the front of it. I put this on the cart to take it outside to get good footage out in the sun, and the daggone thing fell off, so face first. So that's why we have the trash and stuff in it, guys. It was not me. Well, it was me, but it wasn't from spraying it. So either way, guys, I still wanted to take it out in the sun and showcase it because it's still a really cool effect. Over the sun yellow, man, it really brightened up that yellow. That yellow is kind of a dull yellow Rustoleum color, but when you add the candy with the pearl, man, it gives it a deep yellow, almost like a Lamborghini yellow with a gold pop. And then over that satin black or that semi-gloss black, man, really, really cool. It really brightened up the gold ghost pearls and made it even more of a yellow candy effect. And then you got coppers at certain angles, just very cool effects over both colors. But guys, as always, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys. Rate it in the comments. Let me know. Did you love it? Did you hate it? What should I have done different? Should I add more pearl, more candy? What, just any thoughts and opinions are much appreciated. And as always, guys, I'm an affiliate with Eye Candy Pigments, so if you want to buy the Glimmer Ghost Gold and recreate this yourself or something different or any of their other pearls, links will be in the description. Just click my links to that checkout, enter WAW shop. While shop, you get a discount, and it goes to help out the channel. The finished one clear, the D1 drizzle paint gun, the mask, all that stuff works great, be it a Rustoleum project or an automotive project. So, or the Limelight candy concentrates, if you want to use that. All that stuff's in my Amazon store, guys. You just click the links below that says As Seen on YouTube. It'll take you to my store where you can purchase everything I use on the channel for the same price I get it. It won't cost you anything extra, and you get the benefits of Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you made it this far in the video and you like these crazy spray outs, the product reviews, the tutorials, the paint jobs, I got one coming really soon. My buddy's bringing me a truck to paint, so you're not going to want to miss that. And you find yourself keep coming back, watching different episodes or binge watching my stuff, going down the rabbit hole. If you haven't already, just take a second, hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell beside it to notify you every time a new episode drops so you don't miss anything. And, leave me a quick like and comment, guys. It helps me out tremendously with the algorithm to continue to grow, spread out this channel so I can keep coming back, doing crazy spray outs like this and dropping fenders and, just being real, guys, having fun and creating something cool. So that's what this channel is all about. And if you like that, then definitely support me with a subscribe, like, comment, and everything else, guys. So appreciate you tremendously for watching today and always coming back. And as always, guys, I'm John from WHITLEY Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.